Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to send money on Venmo step by step in this full 2025 beginner guide. Let's get started. First, open the Venmo app on your phone and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, tap sign up and follow the setup steps with your phone number or email. Once you're logged in, tap the Pay or Request button at the bottom of the screen. Search for your friend's name, username, or scan their Venmo QR code. Enter the amount you want to send and add a quick note like dinner or rent. Choose whether the payment should be public friends or private using the privacy icon. Then tap Pay and confirm your payment method. You can use your Venmo balance bank account or linked debit card. And once you hit send, your money transfers instantly to their Venmo balance. And that's how to send money on Venmo fast and safely in 2025.